Hi, I got some parts for the Husqvarna Rider, so I'm gonna show you what it is and what I'm going to do. First of all, a lot of bearings. Everything that rotates on this rider will be changed. I will change the bearing in the decks a little bit later because they're pretty good, and I actually went ahead and changed a couple of them already, and I'm uploading a video soon of that. New belts, they weren't all bad, but you know, it's just do some shopping while you're doing it. Knives, I got these Oregon mulching blades. They're called gator blades. It will be nice to find out if they make a difference or not. The blades needed changing anyway. New bolts for the blades, and there are some other parts here I need to change. Some stickers, so when everything mechanical is okay, I'm going to make it look a little bit nicer. And also I got a seat from Stiga Villa, which is much more soft and plush and comfy than the original seats from the Husqvarna. So I'm gonna change some of these stuff and shoot some video.